Welcome to GRC 2025 and the Tech League. This is where young minds like you use this robot to solve real-life problems. Last year, we saw amazing teamwork and robot completing tough missions. This year, the challenge is bigger. Illegal mining is destroying our land, polluting our rivers, and leaving dangerous pits behind. Your job? Use your robots, your coding, and your teamwork to help fix these problems. This mission connects to the world's biggest goal: SDG 6, clean water, SDG 13, climate action, and SDG 15, life on land. Are you ready to protect the future? Let's go. Your robot has three main jobs. 1. Clean up dirty water. 2. Plant trees to heal the land. 3. Cover up open pits to make them safe. The match lasts a total of 3 minutes. The first 30 seconds is autonomous. This is where your robot gets to perform all the tasks by itself. The next 2 minutes 30 seconds is manual mode. This is where the driver controls the robot. Your robot must start within the 30 by 30 centimeters and not more than 40 centimeters tall. Here are the objectives for the Tech League. Objective 1. Polluted water zone. Collect water balls from the polluted water zone and deliver them to the water purification station, either upper or lower storage. Water ball delivered during autonomous mode at the upper storage earns 40 points. Water ball delivered during autonomous mode at the lower storage earns 20 points, whilst water ball delivered during manual mode at the upper storage earns 20 points. And also, water ball delivered during manual mode at the lower storage earns 5 points. You earn nothing if a ball is dropped or loose before reaching the station. This brings us to the end of Objective 1. Let's move on to Objective 2. Land restoration. In this mode, we have land deforestation here and we have a nursing tree. Each tree planted correctly during autonomous mode earns 30 points, whilst each tree planted during manual mode earns 15 points. You will lose 5 points if a tree is misplaced or falling over. Let's move to Objective 3. Mining safety zone. Your robot must place color match safety containers over the correct open pit to secure them. 40 points for each correctly placed container during autonomous mode. This means that if we have a container, red container covering red pit, during the autonomous mode, your team earned 40 points. 20 points for each correctly container placed during manual mode. You lose 15 points for an incorrectly placed container on an open pit. This means that if we have yellow container covering blue pit, you will lose 15 points, and also 5 points if a container is dropped or mishandled. And this brings us to the end of our last objective. Always do this. Start from the start zone, be on time, don't keep your alliance waiting. Remember, your teamwork starts before the match. Keep your robot safe. Do your own coding and building. Adults can guide, but should not do it for you. Show respect to referees, teammates, and other teams. You should never do this. Don't touch a robot during autonomous mode or manual mode. If you touch a robot, there will be a 10-point penalty. Penalty will increase by 5 points if it happens again. Contact between robots are allowed. This is a shared field, but if you intentionally damage another team's robot, there will be a disqualification. The referee decides if this was on purpose. And most importantly, do not let someone do the work for you. This is a student-led competition. Your hand, your brain, your build. GLC, one robot, endless possibilities.